Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to join Smartsheet. Smartsheet is a powerful collaboration and workflow platform that can help you get more done. Have you ever been in a situation where you're working on a project with a team of people, and you need a way to keep everyone on the same page? Or maybe you're looking for a way to manage your tasks and deadlines more efficiently. If so, Smartsheet is the perfect solution for you. Smartsheet is a cloud-based platform that allows you to create and share spreadsheets, tasks, and projects. It's easy to use, and it's packed with features that can help you be more productive. Step 1. Sign up for Smartsheet. The first thing you need to do is sign up for Smartsheet. You can do this by going to the Smartsheet website and clicking on the Sign Up button. Step 2. Choose a plan. Once you've signed up, you'll need to choose a plan. Smartsheet offers a variety of plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. Step 3. Create a workspace. After you've chosen a plan, you'll need to create a workspace. A workspace is a container for your sheets, tasks, and projects. Step 4. Invite collaborators. Once you've created a workspace, you can invite collaborators to join you. Collaborators can view and edit your sheets, tasks, and projects. Step 5. Start using Smartsheet. Now that you're all set up, you can start using Smartsheet to get more done. Here are a few tips to help you get started. Use Smartsheet to create and manage tasks. Use Smartsheet to collaborate with your team. Use Smartsheet to automate workflows. Use Smartsheet to report on your progress. Additional tips. Use templates. Smartsheet offers a variety of templates that you can use to get started quickly. Learn keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can help you save time and be more productive. Attend a webinar. Smartsheet offers a variety of webinars that can help you learn more about how to use the platform. Join the Smartsheet community. The Smartsheet community is a great place to get support and learn from other users. Smartsheet is a powerful tool that can help you get more done. I encourage you to sign up for a free trial and see for yourself how it can help you be more productive. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on how to use Smartsheet.